We're making a simple curry soup. This little orange pumpkin looking thing here, this is a curry squash. You can also use, of course, pumpkin of any kind, a cheese pumpkin, a baking pumpkin, butternut squash, any orange fleshed squash. And we have 2 pounds of squash that I've got going here, and just some olive oil, salt, and pepper with 2 carrots. 2 pounds of squash, 2 carrots, 1 large onion. That's all that's happening over here. Fresh ginger root, I've got about 1.5 inches, minced, diced, or grated, and a couple of cloves of crushed garlic. So to our soup, we're going to add the ginger and garlic once your vegetables sweat for a few minutes. The salt and the pepper will help that happen. I have a big old Dutch oven, and we're over between medium and medium-high heat. And all I did was put the lid on this to trap all of the heat and moisture in there to get the squash and the carrots and the onions to start, well, sweating, giving off their juices. Then we're going to spice it up. You can make your own simple curry spice from these 3 elements: coriander, cumin, I toast them first and then grind them, and turmeric. Or you can use a store-bought curry blend. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of Floyd's beautiful Goa masala. Now we're going to use another spice, Kashmiri red chili powder. I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon to our soup. And then we're going to add 6 cups of vegetable or chicken stock. We're using bone broth in our house today. Give that another stir. And you're going to cook this about, 35, 40 minutes until everybody is nice and tender. Look at this thick, gorgeous soup, this beautiful pot of spice. It is a very, very thick soup. It's rich and delicious. Of course, if you want it to be a little thinner, you can just add a little more stock or water. But I think this guy's perfect. I'm going to put a lid on it and keep him nice and hot. So we're going to take for the soup a few big ladlefuls. Curry squash, carrots, onions, garlic, ginger, curry spice, of course. Pop that down, and we're going to add a dollop of yogurt, a little fresh chive, some crunchy toasted pumpkin seeds.